Commit everything you do to the Lord. Trust Him, and He will help you. Psalms 37:5. It's easy to say, let go, let God, but when you actually do it, you let go, let God, trust me, you will not be disappointed. Je dis, si tu laisses Dieu de faire ce que Dieu il veut faire, ta vie, ça va pas être difficile. Parce qu'il nous aime. Hope you were touched by that verse, because I was touched. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Afi Elizabeth here. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys a quick low cut crease video. Aujourd'hui, je vais vous montrer comment je vais faire mon maquillage. Ça va être un peu différent. So we're going to start off with the eyebrows. I was going to say nails. Girl, those are not your nails. Those are your eyebrows. On va commencer d'abord avec le sourcil. My eyebrows have like mind of its own. Like there are days where like it does like the perfect arch, and there are days where I'm just like, sis, what's up, man? You trying to square up or not? Like, what's good? Souvent mon sourcil, ça c'est bien, souvent c'est pas bien, ça dépend. Ça il y en a mais tout one is ça que yam go moko na éviter. But yeah, so I'm just gonna clean my eyebrows up. When I always start off with my brows, it looks so rough, but once you start concealing, sis, the concealing is what makes your eyebrows, okay? So, quand tu fais le conceal là, ça fait sortir vraiment tes sourcils là. Oui. So this is how it looks. So now I'm going to just go in and I'm going to put my primer on. And today we're not going to use a beauty blender. We're going to use a silicone blender. I don't know what that's called, but it's like a silicone thing. It's actually pretty sweet. It was my first time using it. I got it at the beauty supply store, so it's kind of cool. So with my face, I'm just gonna cover up my blemishes with my concealer. Because my foundation that I'm gonna be using is going to be Maybelline, and Maybelline Stay True Matte Foundation. I think it's like Maybelline True Fit Foundation. I forgot the name of it. Like I said, I forgot the name of it, but yeah, aujourd'hui j'ai utilisé le silicone dans ma figure. C'est une différente technique ce que j'ai fait avec ma figure quand j'utilise cette silicone ici. C'est vraiment différent. Vraiment différent. Et puis aussi, j'avais acheté ça au les stores de beauté pour $2. Hein. Ça m'a pas donné de problème. Ça m'a aussi aidé parce que quand j'utilise celui-là des mouchons, fonges, quand je mets ça dans mes cheveux, ça enlève les gels que j'ai mis dans mes cheveux. Ça pas fait tout. Puis si tu as fini, tu peux seulement prendre des papiers mouchoirs, tu enlèves les couleurs, puis tu commences à faire les autres parties de ta figure. But yeah, like I said, it didn't really give me any problems. I actually liked it. And I found it really easy to reuse compared to the beauty blender. I didn't have to wet it. I can just go home. But the only thing about this, I feel like it holds more bacteria than the beauty blender. I could be wrong, but for some reason I feel like it does. I could be wrong. But yeah, I went in and I put it on my conceal area, my highlighting area. And sis, we struggle when we do makeup. It's okay, girl. It's okay. Keep your head up. So I'm just going to go in with my banana powder and I'm going to apply it everywhere to set my face. Even the face. Oh, you were kind of rough on that one. Sorry, sis. Yeah, so I'm just going to apply it everywhere and I'm going to let it bake just for a couple of minutes or so. And then I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off. The only thing about the banana powder by Makeup Revolution is it come off pretty yellow. So for me to avoid flashback when someone decides to take a picture of me with the flash on, I have to set it. Like, I have to set it first before I do anything else, or else I'm going to see that huge flashback. So j'ai dit qu'il faut que j'ai spray ça avec l'eau là. Parce que ça va m'aider quand on va me prendre les photos. Je me vois pas comme si j'ai mis beaucoup de poudre dans ma figure. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to get this fancy beauty on my face. And I'm going to contour to make my face slim, baby. We're trying to look skinty, okay? Vu qu'on se voit un peu, comment les Français disent ça? Je veux que je me vois comme si je maigris, hein? Oui, oui. I'm going to contour. Je vais contour my figure. Puis je vais mettre ça aussi dans mon nez. Alors, je sais pas pourquoi je mets ça dans mon nez, mais c'était habitude. So I'm just going to contour, and I'm going to get a brush that I've used with a whole bunch of contour powder. And I'm pretty sure it had like leftover powder, so I just went in and I contoured. So this one, mon français ici, on va utiliser ColourPop. We're going to use ColourPop, my French. Y'all saw ColourPop? Wrote that in French, baby. So I'm just gonna use that color that I showed you guys on as my crease, and I'm gonna just apply it with a different brush. Usually I use a buffer brush. That's a tongue twister for me. A buffer brush. But this time around, because I wanted to target a certain part of my eyes, I decided to use a actual crease brush. And the technique that I do with this is I go along, like once I apply on the top lid, I just go ahead and use the bottom. Some people do the top, everything top and then the bottom, but I find it easier to just go and just do everything at once. Je dis que quand j'utilise ça, je fais ça. Je fais aussi en dessous de mes yeux. So right here, I'm going to go ahead with that color that I showed you guys, which is a lighter brown, and I'm just gonna blend that in. Je vais aussi utiliser un autre marron, je vais vous montrer, et puis je vais rajouter ça dans ma figure, et puis je vais seulement nettoyer. Yeah, so I'm just gonna mix that. And I'm going to add the same thing to the bottom lid, the bottom eyes. Tout ce que tu fais en haut, tu fais aussi en bas. Everything that you do on the top, you also do at the bottom. So now I'm going to use my concealer. Maintenant, je vais utiliser mon conceal. And I'm going to do a cut crease. Je vais séparer les couleurs que j'ai mis avec cette conceal. And I'm going to make it a lower cut crease. Some people like to do an overcut crease. But this look for myself, I found it a lot more beautiful if I did a lower cut crease. I'm going to use that color. Je dis que souvent quand les gens ils font ça ici, ils font ça, ils coupent les couleurs, ils séparent ça vraiment grand. Moi, je fais pas ça. Je voulais que ça se voit comme ça. So je vais utiliser cette couleur aussi de jaune. And I'm just going to use my hands first. And then you saw that I used the brush because I felt like with the fingers first, it brought out the pigmentation of the color. J'ai utilisé ma main d'abord. Après ça, j'ai rajouté avec les brosses. Parce que ça fait sentir les couleurs. So yeah. So I'm just going to cut the crease and also apply with my hands again. And then I'm going to reapply it with the brush just to make sure that the color stuck on there with my fingers. And then I'm going to take a empty brush. It has nothing on there. Ce brosse ici, il n'y en a rien. Je vais seulement rajouter ça, juste mon blend. I'm going to blend it with a brush that has nothing on it. And then I'm just going to make sure that the color blends together. And then I'm going with the Perception palette by Makeup Shayla, and I'm going to add that dark color. I realized that the color is kind of too grayish for me. Cette couleur aussi, c'était un peu gray, comment on dit gray. C'était pas noir, mais c'était, j'ai oublié comment on appelle gray. Anyway, so I'm gonna just go in and I'm going to add a different color, because I feel as if that gray color wasn't doing the job. So I went back with the old palette and I added on that reddish brownish color, kind of like maroonish looking brown that I used at the beginning. Je dis que j'ai rajouté le marron là, c'est que j'avais utilisé avant que j'ai mis tous les couleurs là dans ma figure. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend. Blending for me is the most important part because I spent forever blending. When you don't blend, your makeup doesn't look right. Alors, quand je fais ça ici, je mélange, ça aide avec les couleurs. Pour pas seulement mettre ça une fois, après tu laisses. Il faut que tu prends ton temps avec, quand tu veux, comment je dis blend? Mix it too. But yeah, so yeah, take your time. Just take your time when you blend. I take a long time when I blend. I take about 5 minutes on each eye. I know that's kind of weird, but that's really the time that I take, 5 minutes or 4 max, sometimes 3. It depends. So I'm gonna go in with my Black Radiance eyeliner. This is by far my favorite eyeliner because the pigment is really good for the cost that I paid for. Eyeliner is vraiment bien. So now my sourcils, my eyelashes, I'm going to use this beautiful lash right here. I did a detailed video on how to apply lashes. So if you are interested, that video will be up pretty soon. J'ai montré comment je mets mes cils dans une autre vidéo. Si tu veux regarder comment tu peux mettre tes cils, tu veux savoir ou bien tu veux prendre comment on met les cils, je vais mettre les vidéos ici bientôt. Hein? Je vais vous montrer. So yeah, this is how the lash look. It's really good. I bought the lashes on Amazon And it's by far the best Amazon lashes I've ever bought. So with the contour, I'm going to set my face. Wait, no. I'm going to set my face with this powder by Black Radiance. It's like their bronze color. And then with the contour, I'm going to go in with the color Ebony. And I'm going to just set my cream contour because I didn't do it before. Just to bring it out, to snatch my face. Je vais rajouter avec les marron pour mon contour. And I'm going to put a little bit on my nose. And then I'm going to set my face. Yes. And then we're going to get a I'm gonna I'm gonna have my Beyonce going for a minute. Now with the lips, I'm gonna go in and line out my lips with a NYX lip nude brownish color. You know I like my brown, huh? You know this, man. So I'm gonna go in and I'm just gonna line my lips up. And my lips, I'm gonna use the Slick lip shot. I forget the color of this lipstick, lip gloss. And yeah, so we're just gonna look cute. And je vais rajouter cette couleur ici dans mon lèvre. Et puis aussi, ma dama, je vais mettre cette rose ici. I'm going to use this Zulu palette as my blush. I'm going to use that pink right there. And I'm going to make it really light. Je n'ai pas vraiment mis beaucoup parce que je voulais pas que ça se voit beaucoup. And I'm going to go in with my highlight. I'm going to use my Milani. Ooh, ciao. And I'm going to add that to my nose and my lips and my brows. Because we didn't want to OD it. We just wanted to see that, show y'all that we got some sun. J'ai mis ça dans mon nez, en haut de mon lèvre. Et puis aussi with mes sourcils. So I'm going ahead and fan myself and calm everything down. And this is about it. C'est tout ce que je fais. If you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, thumbs up si tu aimes cette vidéo. Aimez, subscribe. Et yeah, à bientôt. Bye guys.